Good morning, diggers. John here, Flintshire Digger, and we're back in beautiful mid Wales. And guess where we are, can't you? We're on the 6th Monarch field. Spin you round. Curly's away already. First target. Numbers, Kill. Kill. Deaf as a post. What dodgy signal he's got there. There you are. So I'll just set my machine up here. There he is, all that Brockwell. And yeah, we're going to have a few hours on here, and then we're going to try another field. Very dry on that side, you know, but still lush and green there. Starting to brown off. We do need rain, even if we've just been having a chat with the farmer and he said they need rain. But yeah, anyway, enough of my waffle, and I'll see you lot on the first. Right, first signal, diggers. Just let's see that. 55, 56, bit of a slight clip to it. Yeah. We'll see what that is. We'll have it out. See what flavour it is. First one of the day. Oh, I tell you what, the ground here is a dream. Ground's a dream here to dig. Look at this. Nice and damp still. Crazy. Oh yeah, must be springs or something running. I don't know, just retains its moisture. Can't see anything obvious. I'll go over it. Oh. Let's have a look. Nope. Nope, still in. Let's have a bit out. Oh, it's a rock. I thought it. Yeah, let's have a look. Oh, it's out anyway. It's out. Put that in there. That down. Let's have a look. Oh. Hang me up a bit. That's it. It's in this little clump here, diggers. It's there anyway. Let's have a look. Oh, it is. Button. There you go. First find of the day. Looks like a bit of gilding on there. That might clean up to be quite nice there. There's a bit of a... yeah. Oh well, first find of the day, button. Happy days. Right, catch you on the next. Back in, diggers. This one is a 66, 67. So yeah, we'll as normal get it out, see what flavour it is. Hopefully coin flavour. Be nice. But you never know. Never know on here. Right. Can't see anything. Oh. Oh. Let's have a checker. It's out in the clod. Yeah. Check it out. See what we're on. Strangle you up a touch again. Get the old digging tool to split that out. Yeah. What's that? Oh, dropped it. What the hell is that? Whatever that is. No. Piece of got a bit of weight to it. Bronze. Don't know on that. Don't know. It's yeah. Oh, it's a find anyway. There's no foil. Right, catch you on the next. Right, back in again, diggers. And got another one. Just take my shovel out where I've just marked it. 56, 57, just on the tone break. Goes up on that side. But yeah. Just we'll have that out, see what flavour it is. It's only my third signal. I've had that button, that bit of bronze, now this. So we'll have it out, see what flavour it is, eh? Strangle your darts, eh? See a bit more there, can't you? Yeah. Oh, it's yeah, it is. This 6 monarch field. It is very quiet, and you have to go slow, steady, and you know, hopefully you'll be rewarded. I'll take a little bit more out for good luck. Ew. Oh, look at that. So, I don't know. It's like still so moist and damp. We like moist and damp, don't we, fellas? Hey? Hey. Keep it clean. Well, it's out. Whereabouts? There. In the clod somewhere. Right. That's how we go in. Have a butcher's hook. Oh. Angle yours up. I know you're all screaming. Come on, John. Get it sorted, lad. Oh, it's not that. I thought it was that then, another piece of bronze. Let's see. What is this? It's in here. Oh, got an edge there. What the hell is this? I do believe that's a decimal halfpence. No way, I wasn't expecting to find one of them on here. Yeah, decimal half p. tidy. Right, on to the next. Coin's a coin, we're off the mark. Catch you in a bit, diggers. I just forgot to film it. Dodgy 32-34 this. So yeah, we'll have a look. It's out or in. Yep, it's out. It's yeah, we shall see. Have a gander, goosey gander. Just angle that like that. Yeah, small, whatever it is. It can't be that, surely. It is. Wow. Tiny little piece of something, either bronze or whatever. I picked it up and it is that. See it? I'll point it. That's tiny. Right. Oh, we'll carry on. I'll just check, see if there's any other bits to it. Nope. That was it. Wow. That was small. Kudos to the detective for picking that up. Right. Catch you on the next, diggers. Back in, diggers. Got a 60. A little bit jumpy. We'll have that out. See what flavour it is. Let me detect it off. Oh, aye. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully. The coin flavoured. But dug a few targets. One was a bit of foil. One was a copper nail. I can't see anything. Let's have a look. Yeah, we're out. My guess. I was just chatting with Curly. I've been finding lots of little bits of bronze and stuff like that, and we've come to the thinking that maybe that they were smelting or something in this field many years ago. So, well, we don't know. We'll have to find out. But yeah, just keep finding little pieces of bronze and stuff like that. So it's not that. Let's angle you up a touch there. Sorry about that, diggers. It's still in the clod. I just clicked it off. So right, let's angle you up a touch. Still there. Right there. Right. The digging tool out. Take a nice wide stab at it. Oh, I tell you what, I can't wait to get this action camera, you know. Bit of a wider angle. Right, it's in there. There, whatever that is. Nugget of something. Doesn't feel very heavy, but not what we want, so we'll crack on. Good signal though. Alright, see you in the next. Back in again, diggers. This one is 27, 28. No, we'll see. Oh god, stone there. Good numbers these, but we shall see. Oh. Hopefully it's not cack. It's yeah, I've just been going along fairly quiet. Been digging rather the dodgy ones. Oh, can't see anything. Oh, let's have a look. Doesn't sound amazing now. It's, oh, we can have a look. Let's have a gander. Oh, that's the angle to use up. What's going on here? Yeah. I got some. What's this? Bit of decoration now, is it? What is this? Just break that piece off. Can't do it one-handed, it's that hard. Wow. What is this, diggers? It's got rings on it. Whether it's copper or something, I don't know. But there's definitely a ring design on it. I don't know if it's old or modern or what. If you know, put it in the comments. Anyway, on to the next. See you in a bit. Okay. Got this one here. 38, 39, 40. Yeah, we'll dig that out. See what flavour it is. Put that in. Take that off. I stayed in the 6 monnet field. I did just lift you up a sec. Curly's gone into that one over there, which is, we call it the marsh field, but it's dried out a lot now because it's summer. I thought I was gonna get caught short, if you know what I mean. And anyway, I feel a bit better now. Now I've let some gas go, shall we say. But I thought I was going to need the use of the woods. But you never know. So anyway, I'm still in the 6 monarch field. So I'll stay in this one, I think. Stay safe. And rather than there, because the farmer's brother's house is in that field there. So yeah, oh, not the best, but it does happen to the best of us from time to time. But anyway, back to matters at hand here. Can't see anything obvious. But yeah, we'll have a look. Yeah, I wonder if that's it there. I can sort of see something in the clod. But I'm not sure. Yeah, I thought I could. Yeah, and it is. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. I thought I could see something. Yeah. I don't know. Strip of copper, anyway. No, not what we want, but hey, we'll crack on. See you on the next. Back in again, diggers. Got a 14 here. So let's dig it out. See what flavour it is. I've been going now for quite a bit after that strip of copper, and nothing but like I was saying, the 6 monarch field, it is quiet. You know, you've really got to put the graft in to get the rewards. So we'll have a look. Can't see anything. We'll have a look. See what it's saying. Oh, it's in the clod. It's in the clod. Put that in there. Put that down. Oh. Oh. Far up a touch. Have to split this one. It's in here anyway. It was in there. God, can't even break that. God almighty. What? Can't be that. Oh, tiny little piece of something. Oh, well, not what we want, but we'll carry on. Catch you on the next. And again, diggers, a bit more gridding. Back and two, back and two. This one was 28.29. 28.29, so we'll get it out, see what flavour it is. Curly must be enjoying himself. He's still away in that field up there, so good luck to him. I'll get in there at some point, like. But yeah, felt a bit ropey before, but not too bad at the moment. But can't see anything. I'll check it with a detector. Oh. Oh, it's in the clod. I think that sun's threatening to come out, so feel the heat building. It was lovely before, lovely and cool. Oh. Right, let's have a go. Right, can't see anything again. No. Where's that gone? Yeah. What's that? I don't know. Another tiny little piece of something. Oh, good signal. Anyway, we'll crack on. I'll see you on the next. Evening, diggers. Well, back home after the dig. Well, it was a strange dig to say the least. Didn't get a lot. Just bits of bronze and stuff. Me and Curly were saying that there must have been smelting or something going on in that field hundreds and hundreds of years ago, because you keep finding little bits of bronze. I know you didn't get to see much on Curly Cam because he went into the next field. I thought I was going to have an attack of the trots, which was a nightmare, and it sort of come back again after I carried on continuing gridding in the 6 monarch field. Felt ropey again, so I thought, what do I do here? So I thought, well, at the end of the day, you know, I could always knock and I'll see if I could use a farmer's toilet or whatever. So anyway, I headed back to the car and I waited out about an hour and a half for Curly to finish, and then I'll add some of the photos in after this video of what Curly found, and he's done really well. He had a nice 16th or 17th century, probably 17th century shoe buckle, but an amazing find he had, which I didn't get to film. It's either, we reckon, it's the tip of a dagger or a sword, as we've seen one come up before on one of the local group digs, and it was exactly the same, the tip of it, but he said he couldn't find anything else of it. But I'll put the photos in after this video, and you can have a look. And he done well on coins as well. He said they'd only had like the one coin out the 6 monarch field, and he said on the way back he had one out the Georgian and Victorian field as well. So yeah, he done really well. Like, it was just a shame I felt ropey. But there you go. It's just one of them it's one of them things. I think the night before, yeah, I'd had I'd had a McDonald's, and I don't know. I'm leaving them well alone. I've not had one for a long time. It's just I finished so late on Friday. I just couldn't be bothered to cook, so I just bought one of them. But no, not for a while. Not again for a while. Anyway. Yeah, I mean, apart from that, I enjoyed it. I always enjoy going down to the Mid Wales Permission, and it's good that John was around. He's lovely, lovely fella. He couldn't ask for a nicer farmer. He's seen me sat there in the car. He said, come on in for a cup of tea. Cup of tea and a biscuit and all that, and a good chat and a waffle. He's more like a mate than anything else. But yeah, so we had him, and then we seen Curly coming back, so he shouted him in as well. He had a brew, and it's absolutely stunning, the farmhouse. Obviously, I can't show you stuff like that. It's absolutely stunning, and yeah, it was a good day, really. I mean, you've seen what I've had and all the stuff, but. Shame I didn't get to film Curly finding that, but I'll add the photos in, and I'll stick it on the thumbnail. It's either a sword tip or a dagger tip. He had a good few coins as well, about 4 or 5 coins off our other field, and hopefully we'll get back down there in a couple of weeks. Don't know, next week I'm doing a local dig again with the soil surfers. Probably, because I haven't been out with them for a while, and then yeah, and then probably the week after back down there. But now I'm back working regular. I'm going to order action camera, and hopefully the juddery camera work will be no more, and you might get a bit wider angle and stuff, so we'll see how we go with that, and maybe better sound quality as well. So anyway, enough of my waffle, and from John, Flinch your Digger, see you on the next one. Oh, thanks to all the new subscribers, over 50 now. Thanks for that, and keep giving it the thumbs up and the comments and stuff. Keeping it going, keeping it real, and that's what it's all about. So from me, John Flinch your Digger, I'll see you on the next one, and I'll put them photos up for you. Cheers.